Yeah, she loves the snow.
Tried to tell you. Record the video and
We're gonna hang out here for a little bit, and Choco's gonna play around in the snow. Come here. She loves the snow. We're going on a walk. This is the view. It's really gorgeous out. We're not gonna get much of a sunset. We have matching outfits on though. That's cute. Oh, she's gonna go potty. She is, but I've been doing this. She's been doing pretty well on the leash. At first she used to pull like none other. She's doing pretty good now. It is literally so bright outside right now. It is literally 11 p.m.
Dang, Polly.
No.
Polly,
go.
You been
Get.
lifting more? You been on some steroids or something? This thing, look at that forearm. Look at it compared.
Just getting 2020.
Now flex for him. Oh, look at that bulge, that muscle bulge.
Special guest Tamlin, we've been shopping. I forgot to vlog. We went to Chili's. She hasn't bought anything. I'm an addict. I don't know if I want this hat or not. I'm like,
Not the Labubu's.
oh, please get that out of here.
No, thank you. We're not doing that.
We're off to the club.
Ooh, look at this, like, what is happening?
Oh, it's because
Aesthetic.
they're cracked right. Speaking of cracked,
That
that was not on me.
I didn't even film that. Cover it up.
Well, what are they gonna do? They're probably like, girl, we have bigger things to worry about right now.
It's true.
Oh, none of these robes are. Oh, this one's kind of nice. Look at it, but it's probably the most expensive one.
Oh, that's nice.
These are all small.
Oh my god, Snoopy.
Cute. I've been seeing a lot of.
That's me right now.
Think we're skinny.
Me after trying keto for a day.
We're on the way to the Parade of Lights. It's December 6th. It's a little tight back here.
So, contact set.
I'm walking into the Christmas Parade of Lights. My outfit is not as cute as it was, even though it's pretty similar to Topgolf. I wear this. It quit recording. I don't know if I ever was recording. Anyways, I wear this hat and it's not as cute as it was, but. It's just we just walked up this slab. We're here. Mio is up there getting the last drop of sunlight possible. We live in such a beautiful state.